What's up guys, my name is Steve from Graphical Ocean. In this tutorial I will show you powerful skin tone using the DaVinci Resolve.
First I am doing the basic color correction process. And finally select my skin and change the midtone, shadow with skin tone. Okay, let's get started. I take my saturation down to 0. I am use the curves here. Now I am down shadows little bit and take control highlights. Go to the RGB mixer and turn up red, green, blue outputs. Now bring my saturation up to 50. Nice. You can see now my basic color grading is complete. Now then I am go to my next step. I am adding new node here for select my skin and change the mid-tone and skin tone. Now select the eyedropper tool. And turn on the power window. Select your skin. Now I am select the feather tool, get more advantage my skin selections. Cool. Close the power window and go to the log wheels. Now I am push orange color to the midtones. Then get balance the skin tone and mid-tone. I am down the highlight little bit. Change the low range and high range for the balance my shot. Perfect. Now I am go to my next step. I am add the another node here. Okay, now go to the color wheels, up the gamma to orange color and down the gain to green color. Now I am down the gamma wheels right there. Up the gain wheels little bit. Go to the curves for balance my shot. I am using black point here. Turn down the midpoints here. And I am use the red points and turn down the shadows and midpoint, but I am turn up the red highlight here. Down the green curve for balance my skin tone. It's get natural skin color. Down the blue highlight and shadows. Up the mid-tones little bit. Okay, that saturate nicely. I am go to the primary bars. Down red color. Also down the green color. Nice. Next I am added fourth node here. I am go to the curves and push up the mid-tones. Simply change every curves and balance the all colors. cool. Down the temp from -50, get powerful blue color. Okay, we finished the first shot nicely. You can see now how looks good at after and before. Looks perfect, match the skin and background. This saturation help balance perfectly every shot well. Look at the skin tone, looks so natural. It's helped more balance the shadows and highlights. Okay, let's go the next shot. Okay, this is my clip right here. First, down my saturation for 0. And go the curves, take the black point here. Now I am go to the RGB mixer and turn up the red, green, blue outputs. Look nice. Next I am go to the color wheels and down the red and green color a little bit. And also change offset red and green color, push up. Now add my second node right here. Turn on the power window and qualifier the skin. Now push up my hue and saturation width. Balance the luminance value and select the skin perfectly. Okay, now up my denoise value. And also up my clean white value. Turn off the power window and go to the log wheels. Push up the mid-tone orange color and down the highlight to blue color. Change the low range and high range to balance the skin tone and mid-tones. Now I am add the node right here. This node I am intent give my clip to cinematic look. Now I am add some perfect light for my saturation. Nice. Add my falf node here. Go to my curves and take the black here. And go to my red curve to balance my skin tone. Set up the green curve for get the real value my skin. Finally go to the blue curves and balance my background blue color. Perfect. Now go to the primorals wheels and change the gamma and gain color. Okay, that's end of my color grading. Looks nice after and before. That's perfectly match my skin and background.
Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share the videos watching your friends. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay frosty.